Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Toyota Camry versus the Volkswagen Passat. We'll explore their key differences and help you decide which sedan best fits your needs. We'll look at performance, interior features, and overall value. Both are popular choices, but they offer distinct driving experiences and philosophies. Let's dive into the details to see which one comes out ahead for you. When it comes to performance, the Camry offers a range of engines, including a robust V6, providing up to 301 horsepower. The Passat typically comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, offering a balanced blend of power and efficiency. For fuel economy, the Camry's hybrid option is a standout, often exceeding 50 miles per gallon, while both sedans deliver a pleasant driving experience. Inside, the Camry boasts a modern cabin with an intuitive infotainment system, often featuring a 7 or 9-inch touchscreen. The Passat is known for its generous interior space, particularly for rear passengers, making it comfortable for longer journeys. Both sedans offer good cargo capacity and come equipped with a strong suite of standard safety technologies, ensuring peace of mind on the road. In terms of safety, both the Toyota Camry and Volkswagen Passat consistently receive top ratings from independent organizations, offering advanced driver assistance features. Toyota has a long-standing reputation for excellent reliability and strong resale value. Volkswagen provides a competitive warranty, giving owners confidence. Ultimately, both are solid choices, but your preference for driving dynamics and brand loyalty will likely guide your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.